Hi, I'm Jesse with CaseMaster. Today we'll be looking at file statuses in CMPOnline. File statuses indicate the current state of the file. There are 5 different states or statuses a file can be in: new file pending, open file, closed file pending, closed file, or reopened file. These are all indicated at the top of the main case file screen, shown here. In today's video, we'll start by creating a new case file and taking it through each of the 5 statuses. To start, we'll create a new case file by clicking the New Case File button. In this new file, we can see that the status is marked as New File Pending. This means that we need to populate the case file with additional information before fully opening the case file. I'll do that now, and we'll skip ahead to a fully configured case file. I just populated the required areas in CMPOnline, including adding an account and a debtor to the case file. If you are unsure if your case file is ready to be opened, we can go to the Problems area to check. We can see that we still need a default date, so I'll navigate to the Accounts tab and add and save. We are now ready to open the case file. To do this, we'll navigate to Case File, Main, Settings. At the bottom of the screen, we can now click Open File. We are brought back to the main case file screen now, where we can see in the upper left-hand corner that the file status has been updated to File Open. We can now work the case file as needed. Once this file is ready to be closed, we'll navigate to the main case file screen and go to the Settings tab. Here at the bottom, we can see where to close the file. To close, I'll first select the reason for closing and then click Close. We can now see that the file number now appears in red to notate that the file is closed, and that the file status also reflects this change. Next, we can reopen this file similarly to closing it. We simply navigate to Case File, Main, Settings, scroll down to the same area, and then click Open File. Again, we can see this change here, as the file status now reads File Reopened. The last status we have to view is Closed File Pending. This status appears if a file is ready to be closed but still has outstanding procedures to complete. For example, in this case, a check that still needs to be processed. I'll quickly add a check to this file to demonstrate. I'll fast forward through this process now, but if you would like a more in-depth video regarding this process, please view our Entering Checks YouTube video. If I now move back to the main case file screen to close the file, we can see that we are now notified of the outstanding check and the file status is updated to Closed File Pending. If we now either delete or process the check, we could repeat these steps to close the file and move the status from Closed File Pending to Closed File. These status codes in CMPOnline help indicate the state of each file. These status codes are available in other areas of CMPOnline as well. I'll navigate to Tools, Custom Reporting to show a custom report that pulls all files with a Closed File Pending status so that they may be reviewed to close fully. To create the report, I'll click Add New Report and add the necessary fields. For more information about how to generate custom reports, please view our custom reporting video on YouTube. Then we can filter by the status code to only generate the files with a CLOP status, meaning Closed File Pending. We can now see all Closed File Pending files in our CMPOnline. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us through the contact support icon in the application or through our website. Thank you and have a great day.